Let's see how to complete the transaction. If the item selected is scheduled H1 or narcotics, then there are options by the admin to set a warning message before loading the item on the main screen. Also, admin can set different colors for different type of schedulers.
We can see these rows are colored, which indicates the item is either scheduled, Schedule H1 or narcotics.
Note that maximum allowable discount can be defined by the admin for each user's login. If the discount is mapped to the user in master data, then as soon as you enter the customer's detail, the respective discount from the master data will be applicable. However, it can be overwritten if the right from the admin have been enabled.
Once the item is loaded on the main screen, select the batch number, edit the quantities for each item, and enter discounts, if any.
At the same time, a customer may have a limited amount with him and may request you to bill only that many items which can be bought with the limited amount. In such cases, let's see how to raise the invoice.
Once the item is loaded, click on Change Invoice Amount icon. Enter desired invoice amount here and click on OK. You can see all the items have reduced proportionately and invoice amount is changed to the nearest possible amount the customer wants.
While billing, if the staff notices that the stock of any item is about to get over or is already exhausted, then the staff can mark the item as indent, by which the item will be added to the order list.
Click on the respective item row. Click on this icon or press Ctrl plus Insert. You can see the indent box is ticked here. If you don't want to mark an item as indent, select the item row and click on this icon.
You can enter customer information. Your customer may also ask for home delivery. Delivery slip module can help you manage activities and related reporting of home deliveries.
Select the doctor, professional location, delivery man, sales rep, email, customize mobile number and other details here. Enter ref number and date, transporter, LR number and date, stock send date, remarks if any, and terms and conditions, postal and bank charges, discount, etc. Press F12 to save.
With barcode verification, you can match the item removed and invoiced. This helps in avoiding pilferages.
Click on Barcode Verification. Item Barcode Scanner window will open. All listed item will be here on the screen. Scan each item and note the quantity. Verified quantity will be listed here. Click on Load Item to bring this to the main screen. Note that barcode verification is not allowed after the transaction is approved.
There are many ways to receive payment: cash, credit card, credit transaction, and other wallet payments. You can also pay in multi-form of same bill. The invoice can be mailed to the customer.
Press F8 to modify. Enter the password. You can choose either cash or card for accepting payment. Credit will be allowed to only those customers who have been allowed to bill on credit in Customer Master. On selecting cash, cash drawer can be linked. This is typically done to avoid stuff fiddling with cash. Verify all the information. If print is ticked, by pressing F12, the invoice will be saved and printed. If payment mode is cash, when you save the transaction, Cash Tender window will pop up. You can see the total invoice amount here and enter the estimated amount which will be received from the customer. Return cash amount will be calculated. Click on OK. Click on this icon to send the email to the customer's email ID mentioned here. Make sure your branch or your company's email ID is configured.
There are chances that sometimes the customer is willing to pay for one bill in more than one ways. C-Square EcoGreen also supports such options.
Tick across multi-payment. Press F12 or click on this icon to save the transaction. A window with various options to pay will pop up. You can see cash, credit card and other wallet options here. Choose partial payment. A new window will pop up where cash is as one of the payments will be there by default. You can remove it and add options which the customer wants to choose. To add another type of payment, select from the drop-down. Enter amount here. Like this, add as many your customer wants. As soon as you add Geo Money, a new window will pop up where you can scan the barcode generated in the Geo Money app on the customer device. Amount will be reflected automatically here. Click on Make Payment. The invoice total and selected payment total should match. Press F12. You can also SMS/email receipt to the customer. Enter email ID, mobile number and click on Send. Press F12 to save it. To modify, press F8. Enter the password. Click on OK. Tick on Approve box. Click on Save icon or press F12.
If any item's barcode is missing or damaged, then you can generate barcode for those items directly from here.
Click on Generate Barcode. Barcode print screen capture will pop up. If the barcode for the item is predefined in the system, own barcode box will be checked. All other new barcodes will be generated by the system. Tick the print box on the same row of the item which needs to be printed. Please note that printer has to be connected to the system before printing. Press F12 to print, save and exit.